Please subscribe. 7 Fasting Dinner Ideas. When fixing dinner for yourself when you are doing intermittent fasting, it's important to focus on eating healthily. Set your sights on eating low-carbohydrate meals and a large number of vegetables in the right amounts to ensure that you reach your calorie quotient each day, whether it's a fasting day or a non-fasting day. 1. The large salad with protein. Any type of chopped salad can be enjoyed, with all sorts of lettuce, cucumbers, radishes, and corn, topped with a protein like roasted chicken, fish, eggs, or tofu, really any mixture you like. Avoid creamy dressings that are high in sugar. Try using a vinegar-based dressing. 2. Breakfast for dinner. Everyone loves breakfast for dinner. Eating a low-carb breakfast is a great way to start your day, but it's also a great way to end your day. Try a frittata full of any veggies you have available, topped with some hard cheese. You'll love it and so will your tummy. 3. No rice stir-fry meal. While you can enjoy rice sometimes, try eating some stir-fry meals that aren't over rice so that you can get more nutrition into your body within your calorie limit. Rice, especially white rice, is relatively high in calories and turns to sugar in your body. Try topping any Asian seasoned meats over stir-fry veggies. 4. Grilled salmon over slaw. Any type of grilled fish with any type of veggie-based slaw is great. Try a mixture of shredded cabbage, carrot, and radishes under grilled salmon. You can flavor with Asian flavors like miso and sesame oil and seeds. 5. Roasted chicken, wild rice and salad. You can buy the roasted chicken from your local grocery, make some mushroom and wild rice pilaf, and then eat any leftover salad with this meal to get it on the table fast. 6. Steak, veggies and sweet potato. You can turn this into any type of protein with a veggie and sweet potato. Sweet potatoes are better in every way than white ones, including providing you more nutrition. For veggies, you can combine any type of veggie, steamed or roasted. The meat can be a steak pan fried with a nice large pat of butter on it with seasonings, or it can be smoked tofu. 7. Drink a high-protein smoothie. Chia seeds, kale, blueberries, avocado and milk blended together will make a very satisfying high-protein smoothie that will make you feel great. This is a good thing to have when you're in a hurry and don't have time to prepare a sit-down meal. As you can see, there is a theme here. Protein, fewer simple carbohydrates, and lots of veggies. Anyone will get healthier eating this way, whether they're intermittent fasting or not. That should tell you that there is no real secret to being healthy, although it seems magical when you are deeply involved in intermittent fasting and the weight is dropping off like crazy. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.